boys and girls. 1. My class. This week we are going to talk about school supplies. Let's start. Book. Book. Pencil. Pencil. Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Book. Where's the book? Great. Book. Pencil. Pencil. Where is the pencil? Excellent. Pencil. Great job. Bye-bye.